Hi, welcome to SS Informatica Power Center. In the part of IICS, I want to explain about how to create Oracle connection here. See, this is Informatica Administrator. Informatica IICS Administrator Data Integration is main folders to use. Here in Informatica Administration, go to Connections, click on New Connection. In New Connection, connection name, give some random Oracle today March. Oracle March is today. This month is March, right? That's why given March. Oracle. And runtime environment is our desktop, whatever it may be. And username is schema. Which schema we are need to connect? We want to that schema name we have to give. Source schema currently I am giving. And password is admin. My schema password is schema password. You have to give schema password where you can find. Go to plus symbol. Here you can initially you will give that right password. We have to remember. That's it. And localhost is here. Host name can copy paste directly, and port name it will take default 1521 and service is XC small letters XC. I think password also admin admin small letters. And schema not required. Code page required or Windows code page. That's it. Just click on test connection. Test for this connection was successful. You can save it. See, connection saved successfully. When you create a Oracle connection, configure the connection properties. The following table describes Oracle connection. That's it. In this way you can give a Oracle connection. You can utilize Oracle connections in integration, data integration. Here while creating you can utilize here source. Here connections we have to give Oracle March connection. Connection single object table. Select Oracle connection. It goes to Oracle database. Our Oracle database we given right that. See, in my Oracle database for that schema I have these tables. All the tables here it will fetch all the tables. Any which table we want to work, that table you can select. Okay. Like that. In that way you can create connections. You can create target connection also. Create again new connection. Oracle underscore March TGT. Again Oracle. Again desktop. Username is target, right? Target, this one target, and password is admin. Localhost it will take automatically once you previously you given right. Schema not required. Code page need to give. That's it. No need to give anything. Just test connection. Yeah, unsuccessful. Save it. Again, data integration regions table was inputted. Here later I will explain about all these filter, shorter and all advanced. Now go to target. Click on target. You can give target connection. Target connection is Oracle March target. Select target itself insert statement. Always target is insert statement and source is select statement. Here regions table, I think I didn't have regions table. Regions is not there. You can create new at runtime with regins regions underscore tgt name. Okay, that's it. It will create automatically. Mapping was saved, valid. That's it. Run once. Yeah, no need to change anything. Mapping 6. Start mapping 6. Mapping 6 means I did not change the name of the mapping. It creates. In jobs you can find starting, refresh. Queue, running. In that way you can create mapping easily in Informatica, IICS. Informatica Power Center you can't execute, you can't run the mapping directly. But while coming to Informatica IICS, you can directly run it. See, map, source, target. No need to drag source and target. You can directly select here. This is the beauty of IICS. While you click on the new, it will automatically pull, and you can simply, by clicking on the source, you can easily select the source by giving the connections, and by clicking on the target you can give the connection for target table, and easy to run. You can check in my jobs whether it is success. See, success. Let's check in our database, target database. This is my target database. Regions TGT, REGIONS regions underscore TGT. Regions TGT was created or not? Regions TGT. Let's check what is the name we given. Target name regions TGT, REGINS regions TGT. Yeah, see, the records entered. In this way you can easily execute mapping without creating mapping workflow sessions and all. Here I did not create any sessions and workflows. Simply creating mapping by selecting by giving the source connection, by giving the target connection, and simply validated and saved, and I ran this. And in my jobs I can able to see this